Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to read Pete the Cat and the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. So this is the front cover. On the front cover we have the title and we have the author who is also the illustrator. So James Dean wrote the words in the story and he drew the pictures. And over here is the back cover. This is the spine which holds all the pages together. Let's begin. So over here is the title page, Pete the Cat and the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Do you think that's going to work? Let's find out. Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot, you hop up and down, sing a song, and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. You think Mommy's going to be able to help? Let's find out what Mom says. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits. And he waits. And he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed the story. And make sure that you answer the questions for the week and just submit them at the end of the week. I miss you, I love you, and I can't wait to see you. Bye, boys and girls.